Hey there, little humans. It's Mr. Whiskers, the coolest cat in town. While someone out there is drawing my paws and fur, let me tell you all about my fabulous feline life. You're going to love it. Trust me, cats have the best stories. First of all, did you know we cats spend about 70% of our lives sleeping? 70%! That's like most of the day. We're not lazy, we're professionals at staying cozy. Imagine having a dream job where your job is actually dreaming. And here's something super mysterious about us. Our purring. Know that lovely sound we make when we're happy? Scientists are still trying to figure out all the reasons why we purr. Some say it's like self-healing magic. Cats are basically superheroes in disguise. Perfect, right? And let me tell you about my whiskers. These babies aren't just for style. They're like little radar detectors. They help me figure out if I can squeeze through tiny spaces. Trust me, if my whiskers fit, my body follows. No stuck cat drama here. Alright kids, remember, life's better with a cat in it, especially one as charming as me. Stay curious and keep exploring. Until next time, bye for now, my little humans.